What's up, everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Welcome to my daily 5 p.m. video. I have a treat for you today. Silver has been used for over 5,000 years, since the beginning of man. And this article talks about the several different reasons that silver has been used over thousands of years. It's gonna be such a fun video, such an educational video, such an informational video. So make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below what your favorite use has been, or what the most interesting is for you. Shout out to Joker's Wild for inspiring this video. He is the moderator of my channel. He has done so much for this channel, so I appreciate you, and shout out to you, my friend. So the link to this article will be in the description. It's talking about silver through the ages, the uses of silver over time. By the way, my 46,000 subscriber giveaway entry video is live. So if you want a chance to win some free silver, make sure you go check that video out. The link will be in the description. So silver is one of the most versatile metals on earth, right? It's not just valuable because it's shiny. That's not why it has so much value, ladies and gentlemen. I hate to say it. I hope you know that, though. With a unique combination of uses both as a precious metal and an industrial metal. And that's why my name is Silver Slayer, not Gold Slayer. Today, silver's uses span many modern technologies, including solar panels, electric vehicles, and 5G devices. However, the uses of silver in currency, medicine, art, jewelry have helped advance civilization, trade, and technology for thousands of years. Right? Silver is the most essential metal in the world, but also thing in the world. Silver has advanced civilization like nothing else has. So anyways, we have a graph down below showing the different uses for silver and showing the percentages of these things. 17.8% jewelry, 4.2% silverware, 24.5% physical investment, 2.8% photography, 50.7% industrial. Of the 524 million ounces of silver demand from industries, 105 million ounces came from solar, and PV stands for photovoltaics. And we know that 105 million ounces is going to be dramatically increasing because the whole entire world is going green, going solar. So anyways, silver has several properties that make it useful in industries. Highest electrical conductivity of all metals. And someone was trying to argue that copper is the most conductive, but no. Silver is the most highly conductive metal for thermal conductivity, electricity, and even light sensitivity. It has high reflectivity, highly ductile, high malleability, and antibacterial properties. If you drop a coin in a glass of water, it will purify it. If you drop a silver coin in milk, it will make it last a lot longer. While silver has many uses in modern economy, its applications in daily life go back a long way. Even in the medical world, we have colloidal silver. Scientists actually found a way recently to make silver 40% stronger without losing any of its electrical conductivity, which is insane. So here's how silver's uses have evolved with time and technology. Here's the meat and potatoes. So 3000 BC, the Middle Ages. Before silver coins, hack silver and silver ingots were used as a medium of exchange. And see, silver was even money back then. So figurines, decorative household items, and ornaments were often made of silver. I mean, it's just so crazy to think 3000 BC, that long ago, they realized silver's value. Silver coins became a common currency for trade in Europe. Wine and food containers were made out of silver due to its ability to fight bacteria. Like, how did they know that back then? People often drop silver coins into barrels of water and milk on long journeys to slow degradation. And just like I was saying earlier, families used silver utensils to protect themselves during the bubonic plague. In the 1500s, the Spanish real became the primary currency for international trade. So now we have the 1800s to 2000s. In the early 1800s, surgeons used silver sutures to reduce post-operative inflammation Newborns born in the United States were prescribed silver nitrate eye drops to fight conjunctivitis. Soldiers during World War I carried silver leaf dressings into battle to help fight injections. NASA chose silver ions for water purification on the International Space Station. Silver-based films have been used in photography since the 1800s, and I think photography, the percentage of silver used in photography is dramatically decreasing because everyone has a camera on their phone now. Silver became a common layer in mirrors and windows for its reflectivity. Silver is a catalyst in the production of ethylene oxide or ethylene oxide and formaldehyde, which are used to create polyester molded items, plastic, adhesive, toys, and more. Mined silver production prehistory to 2001 is 1.6 million tons. 2000 to present. So now we have caustic pencils. Silver nitrate sticks are commonly used to treat warts and ulcers. Silver sulfurizing cream is applied to burn wounds to prevent infections. Water purification system uses silver ions in small quantities. Silver is found in the membrane switches of almost all electronic devices. Some of the capacitors in our smartphones use silver as an electrode. Laundry detergents use silver nanoparticles to eliminate bacteria. Jet engines and helicopter engines use silver bearings for their strength and high thermal resistance. Photovoltaic solar panels, which is also called PV, can contain as much as 20 grams of silver. Battery electric vehicles contain between 25 to 50 grams of silver. Internal combustion engine vehicles contain 15 to 28 grams. Silver and copper-based filters are being used in air conditioning systems to eliminate bacteria. So here we have the mined silver production from 2001 to 2020, which is 0.48 million tons. So look, it's getting harder to find silver. 1.6 million tons and now 0.48 million tons. More than a quarter of the silver mined over thousands of years has been mined in the last 20 years. That's an interesting statistic right there. And you can see the Silver Institute, I call them the holy grail of information. Just saying. Silver has found applications in various technologies over time. Today, it is critical for the next generation of technology advancements from electronics to renewable energy and electric vehicles. As the world pushes toward decarbonization, silver demand will always persist. And, for that reason as well, obviously, going green, saving the earth, but also as we advance in this new technological era, right? We're just advancing into, sci-fi movies. Think about futuristic movies. Everything's electronic and everything's all digital and stuff. And silver is going to be the main component. So now we have 3000 BC, the Middle Ages. The earliest accounts of silver can be traced to 3000 BC in modern-day Turkey, where its mining spurred trade in ancient Aegean and Mediterranean seas. Traders and merchants would use hack silver, rough-cut pieces of silver, as a medium of exchange for goods and services. Around 1200 BC, the ancient Greeks began refining and minting silver coins from the rich deposits found in the mines of Laurium just outside Athens. By 100 BC, modern-day Spain became the center of silver mining for the Roman Empire, while silver bullion traveled along Asian spice trade routes. And by late 1400s, Spain brought its affinity for silver to the New World, where it uncovered the largest deposits of silver in history from Dusty Hills, Bolivia. Besides the uses of silver in commerce, people also recognized silver's ability to fight bacteria. For instance, wine and food containers were often made out of silver to prevent spoilage. In addition, during breakouts of the bubonic plague in medieval and Renaissance Europe, people ate and drank with silver utensils to protect themselves from disease. So then we have, the 1800s to 2000s. We have the medicinal uses of silver came into light in the 19th and 20th centuries. Surgeons stitched post-operative wounds. We talked about that a little bit. It's to prevent or reduce inflammation. Right here, NASA developed water purifiers, and actually silver is used for space equipment as well. So, that's another interesting statistic. So, The Industrial Revolution drove the onset of silver's industrial applications. So we have the 2000s, the present, right? It's evolving with technology. They're finding new reasons for silver on a daily basis. They actually used some of the masks for the situation we're in right now for silver as well. So silver's always been useful to industries and technologies due to its unique properties. From its antibacterial nature to high electrical conductivity, today silver is critical for the next generation of renewable energy technologies. For every age, silver proves its value. Silver has been used for 5,000 years, and it will be used for another 5,000 years. Money, fiat systems are a newborn baby. Actually, no, before that, it's not even born yet. It's like 6 months in the womb compared to silver's value or exchange as money. Fiat systems only last a little over 100 years. Every fiat-based system that has ever existed has failed and has only lasted a little over 100 years, while silver has been used as money for 5,000 years. And there's a reason for that. If we would not have got rid of the gold and silver standard, our dollar strength would still be in good terms. Look at a chart. As soon as we got rid of the gold and silver standard, look what happened to the dollar strength. Look what happened to our financial system. What do you think? So anyways, I thought this was a really cool article. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to like the video. Liking the videos helps me get a good feel on what types of content you like. So, I love this type of content, right? I mean, yes, I want to cover silver's price, what's happening in the economy, how it's affecting silver, and what you should do about it. But also, just knowing some of this stuff is interesting, especially since I have a passion for silver. It's not just about money. So anyways, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what the most interesting fact was for you. What was the most interesting use of silver for you? I would love to know. Also, make sure you're subscribed because my 46K giveaway, the winner is going to be announced probably in maybe a little less than a week. I want to give people time to enter because I know a lot of times people say they missed the giveaway. So yeah, link to this article will be in the description. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Next video will be posted at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard, so stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.